How do I fill out address line 1 and 2? As you can see on the interface under the address line 1, this is where you have to write the primary parts of your address, such as your house or apartment number and street name. If applicable, you can include apartment, shared or your unit numbers. Now, on next to address line 2, this is the field which may be optional and it is used for additional details such as your building name, your floor, wing or any specific identifiers. You can also use the care of information such as your building number or your floor number. If your address doesn't require extra detail, you can always leave address line 2 blank. So that's how you can fill up your address line 1 and address line 2. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.